Hello from the KHS show booth here at Reliably 2023. Correct operation and regular maintenance are essential to an efficient production process. This is why we are constantly expanding our program of training courses under the umbrella of our reliable services to include modern and flexible forms of learning. We offer you a comprehensive range of blended learning units that cover basic or further training and human resource development, held either as classroom modules at our international KHS training centers or on site at your facility. Our learning modules, whether provided in-house, on-site or online, ensure that your personnel is able to perfectly operate our pioneering technology in everyday production. At KHS, we don't just provide instruction in simultaneous teaching units. You can also study on your own initiative whenever and wherever you wish. We also make use of innovative study options in training. One of these is the KHS Virtual Training Center, our new digital learning environment. This allows your specialist personnel to learn independent of teaching schedules whenever, wherever, and for as long as they want, with virtual environments depicting single KHS machines or entire lines, including learning nuggets such as teaching videos, quick reference guides, descriptions, and gamification elements for playful learning, and much more for an effective and immersive learning experience. Here we have replicated a canning line that you can learn to operate and service virtually using various teaching and simulation options. Virtual online training courses and certified classroom modules are the core elements of our KHS Campus blended learning concept. From the manufacturing process through the installation and commissioning and throughout the entire life cycle, we permanently offer you high-quality training courses and always keep your specialist personnel up to date. If you would like to find out more about our learning and training concepts, please feel free to pay us a visit at Reliably in Hall 8 or look us up on our website.